Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoxi Li from Renmin University of China, and I'm here as a proxy presenter for this work, JDivPS, a diversified product search dataset. And this presentation is divided into the following sections, including background, current diversified product search datasets, and our dataset, and the analysis of dataset, benchmark experiments, and finally the conclusion. First, let's start with the background. Well, users in web search and product search usually submit short queries which are often ambiguous or weak. For example, a customer searching for outdoor barbecue may want barbecue grills or related outdoor furniture, which is shown in this figure. And to address this challenge, diversified product search have been recognized as a pivotal solution. Given a query and an initial ranked list of products based on the relevance scores, diversification model aims to adjust the ranking to balance relevance and diversity. This strategy can satisfy users' different needs, address their inherent interest in discovering diverse options, and promote commercial profits. And the current diversified product search datasets. First, the data cloud from commercial websites. They contain real user behavior but are non-public and do not illustrate the dataset information and distribution. They adopt product categories as a proxy of real user intents. And the Amazon dataset, a recommendation dataset, and only contains user ratings and reviews on public and the metadata of the products. The queries are constructed by the categories of the product. And the existing problems, diversified product search requires human annotated user intents under each query and the correspondence between products and intents to evaluate the performance of the model. However, existing datasets do not have this annotated data. And our contributions, first we construct our dataset. First, the attribute and the description of the data. Our dataset contains 4 subsets, including initial ranking, product metadata, query suggestion, and intent product relevance. The intent and the relevance is annotated by human annotators. And the analysis of the dataset. First, the analysis of queries. There is similar distribution of intent quantities across both training and testing queries. A decrease in query frequency correlating with an increase in the number of user intents, indicating that although our approach does not explicitly incorporate a property metric of heat factor to extract user intents, it implicitly accounts for the relative predominance of these intents by analyzing user logs. And the analysis of intent. We have predominance of fine-grained categories and brands. In both the training and the entire size, the branch-related intents constitute the majority. This trend aligns with typical consumer behavior, where users are often uncertain about the desired brand, and after determining the product type they are interested in, and the distribution is shown in this table. And the benchmark experiments, the MMR with UVCTR as the relevance model is the best approach with the top performance, outperforming most of those non-diversified and diversified baselines. And DSA and the Delta are inferior to this model. There are the following 2 possible reasons. The least pairwise sampling strategy is ineffective and unstable for large datasets. The sentence-based representation encoder is unsuitable to generate a high-quality representation for product titles. And the overall performance is shown in the following table. Finally, to get a conclusion, we introduce a new dataset for diversification in product search. Our dataset is public and include both real queries and human-annotated real intent. And the statistical features of products in the dataset are also provided to demonstrate the product's property and commercial value. Finally, further investigation of product search diversification is made feasible by this dataset. And finally, welcome start to our GitHub repo. Thanks for listening.